833-657-02. Toll free from landline. Standard text rates apply. Thank you very much, Sean. Good luck, man. All right. Good luck to you. A lot more music coming up tonight after the break. Casey is plugging in. Hang on.
Hiccups. You got the hiccups. Come here. Hiccups. Do you have the hiccups? Do you have the hiccups? Do you have them? What do you do with them hiccups? Get rid of them. Get rid of them hiccups. Hiccups and raspberries. Both. You're so cute. Yes. You're so cute. You're such a cute baby. So cute. Hiccup? Hiccup? You're making a mess. Gotta change your bibby. Who's the cutest baby? Who's the cutest baby? Who was the cutest baby? What are you doing? Are you eating your toy? Is it yummy? Is it yummy? It's a little too big for your mouth. Yes. Num nums. Yummy. What's the doggy say? What's the doggy say? Speak. What's the doggy say? Speak. What's the doggy say? What's that doggy saying? What? 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 What's that doggy saying? Woof. What's he talking about? Silly puppy. You still have them hiccups. Do you still have them hiccups? Uh-oh, here he comes. Give a kiss. Aww, puppy. Puppy giving kisses. Coopy, where's the baby? Where's the baby, Coop? Cooper, where's the baby? Cooper, come here. Where's the baby? Give her a kiss. Give the baby a kiss. Where's the baby? Give her a kiss. Ah! Coopy, come here.